Hello, everyone. You are welcome. Welcome to my YouTube page, guys. In today's video, we'll be making sweet potato chips. Yeah, if you are just tuning in, you're welcome. Welcome to Annie's Sweet Home Treats, guys. We'll be making potato chips today. Thank you all to all my subscribers, my new subscribers. I want to say thank you, my old subscribers. Ooh, you guys are amazing. Guys, watch this video to the end and see how we make our crunchy potato chips, guys. Come, let's do this together. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch to the end and comment. Thank you so much, guys. Come over, let's do this. Guys, all you have to do is to peel all your potato. Yeah, make sure you peel it very well. Guys, after peeling it, I use this cutter. You can get it in the market, you can get it at the supermarket, you can get it anywhere. It's at the supermarket, okay? So this is how I cut it. And it goes very, very smoothly and it goes well. It comes out nice, guys. Take a watch and watch carefully to the end. It's so easy to slice with this cutter, guys. All you have to do, you have to be careful so you won't cut your hand from there, okay? So let's continue. So guys, after peeling, you just have to watch very well because of sand. So next I'll be going in with my onion. I like it when it has onion flavor. Okay, you can use any flavor of your choice. You can use garlic, you can use ginger, but I like onion flavor. So let's get started. We've started frying it already. Yeah. After putting your onion in your oil, make sure the oil is hot. Then you put your potato in it. It will dry fast. When you put it, don't start stirring or turning. No, allow it to dry before flipping or turning your potato. You still watching to this time, thank you so much. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers, guys. Our potato chips is coming out nice and it looks so nice, and I bet you it tastes so good. So this is it. Ta-ra! Our potato chips is ready and we have to pack it. Enjoy. here, guys, we finished packing it. So check this out. I'll be dropping the description below. Thank you all for watching from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch for more video. What will I do next? Drop it on the comment section. Bye.